Good morning, this is Rob again. This is the final day of our quilt show here at the Arapahoe County Fairgrounds. Just a reminder, the hours today are 10 to 4. They're abbreviated compared to the 10 to 5 we've had the last couple days. I sent an email out yesterday to our email list, but just in case you're not on there, you should be on there. But in case you're not on there, we're going to do a U-Haul sale today. We really don't want to take machines home with us. Teardown for us with 26 booths is very time consuming, and we feel lazy after 3 days of show. So I want to talk a little bit about our long arms. We have Handi Quilter, an entire booth of Handi Quilter long arms, and we haven't sold any of our floor models, but last night when the email went out, I've got tons of emails asking about these. So they are available on a first come, first served basis. If you want to shoot me an email at rockymountainsewing@gmail.com. Throughout the day, I'll check my emails and I can respond as quickly as possible. If you want to call me on my cell phone, 720-202-3152 is the number. I will do my best to answer, or of course come down, take a look at them. These are all new machines, new warranties. Anything you buy off the floor, we consider it to be a new machine. And so we have the Handi Quilter Capri sit down. We have the Handi Quilter Amara with Pro Stitcher. Over in the corner we have the Handi Quilter Moxie. That's their new entry-level long arm. That's amazing. And then we have the Simply 16 over there. So these are all available. And I also want to mention we have a Bernina Q16. This had a little accident on the way here and has some cosmetic damage on the leaves. So we would replace the leaves for you, but we would love to move this out of here as well. So we also have plenty of sewing machines. We sold quite a few of our floor models already, but there are deals to be had. It varies from machine to machine. We also have some sewing furniture that's available. All of that would be perfect to get out of here. And if you want to buy all of them, come and make me an offer and we'll see what we can do. So thanks for tuning in. And and financing, I want to talk about the financing. We do have special financing from our vendors, but it's only for the show. So Monday I can call them and beg and everything, and they will not do it. So the financing that's anywhere from basically 6 months to 72 months, depending on the brand, ends today, period. No questions asked, or no something. Anyway, been a long 3 days, so come see us and we'll sell you something, I'm sure.